What's up? Congratulations on your decision to get more information. So as promised, who am I? My name is Dre Hall. I'm from Western Pennsylvania. I graduated high school in 2013. I had a full academic scholarship to Slippery Rock University. I got started working online in 2014. I've been learning and earning ever since. I'm a sibling of 12. My goal is to help 1,000 families earn a full-time income working from their smart device. I'm going to be going over 4 platforms today. My bonuses will be my collective knowledge. You're going to be able to learn drop shipping, Facebook marketing, email marketing, branding, and learn how to make more sales online, and much more. Join me on my journey of helping 1,000 families live life on their own terms. The 4 platforms I'll be covering today: 1. The Conversion Pros, 2. Daily Digital Club, 3. Newbies on Fire, and 4. The foreign exchange markets.